Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to paint these beautiful blue hydrangeas. I'm using 140 pound cold press watercolour paper, a round sable brush size 12 and artist quality paints in various makes using all the colours I love that complement the hydrangeas. Hydrangeas have these very big flower heads that are quite complicated to look at and you can be quite off-put, but each flower head is made up of smaller individual flowers that all have 4 petals. So I started off by painting these and built it up into a nice round hydrangea head. I used various shades of blues and lilacs because if you look closely at the flower heads, they have all different shades in them, and quite a lot of them have that nice sort of lilac colour in it, so I tried to get that into my hydrangea head. Don't forget to add darks and lights into your painting so you can create depth. I then painted the leaves in. They have quite big leaves and the veins are very prominent in them. I used a pencil to define some of the veins, and I also like to drop in lots of water to create those lovely washbacks. Here I'm just adding in some darker colours to create depth to the big flower head. I am using blotting paper to pull out some of the colour to create the veins in the leaves. I like to use a water-soluble pencil in the colour of the flowers to drag and pull the paint and just add a little bit of definition. I then added a couple more big hydrangea flower heads to create interest for the painting. I tried to make this flower head not as detailed as the first one I painted, so your eyes drawn to the more detailed one and then your eyes drawn across the painting, and it creates a really nice composition. I added some dark blue to accent the depth of the flowers. I finished off the painting just adding a few little details and some darker areas to the centres of the flowers. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!